Welcome to the mini show at Infotrace Media. My name is Kevin Ochieng from Infotrace Analytics. This is a mini show where we'll be giving you a brief about what we'll be discussing in the afternoon. So today we are looking at some of the reaction from the social media, trying to see what are some of the sentiments and objective and ideas of people on the social media. So as usual, we managed to analyze a couple of comments from various posts, and we just want to dig straight into some of the summaries from the analytics. So the first thing we are going to look at is trying to look at some of the most spoken words from our analysis, and you can see some of the most spoken words, and the first most spoken word is coming in as Kenya, being one of the most spoken words. We are seeing BBI being as another most spoken word. We are seeing Somalia, gold, country, time, and we are going to pick one of these most spoken word, and I believe the reason why we are seeing Kenya and Somalia being as the most spoken word is because of the news we had yesterday that Kenya has refused to go and participate in the ICJ court on the Somalia-Kenya sea boundary issue. So that is going to be our main topic when we'll be discussing the afternoon show today. So just to move briefly, and as I have said, as I have mentioned before, the main issue we are going to talk about in our evening today is the Kenya-Somalia boundary war. And just to make our viewers understand what's really happening and what is this war about, who are the people involved in this war, and how did it started. So Infotrace Media has broken down the raw and trying to analyze and simplify the information to the common viewer. And just a small breakdown, we are seeing that the case was filed in 2014, that is 2014, where the Somalia government filed the case, and they were claiming that there's a boundary, there's an Indian Ocean boundary which they claim to be part of them, and also Kenya is claiming to be also the owner of that region, and the region is believed to be containing minerals and oil. So we are seeing a drag and push between the two countries, and after yesterday's news, we also saw the Mombasa Ocean people also. We saw their demonstration that the Kenya should protect their ocean. So it's really an interesting part, and we really want to see how it's going. We hope that it turns out to be on the Kenyan side. So as you can see from the diagram, you can actually see Kenya's maritime border claim, and you can see the Somalia's maritime border claim. Kenya is claiming that the angle should be cutting off at 45 degrees, but you can see the disputed area where it is. Clearly you can see it is the area which they believe is rich of oil and all that. So it's an area which is now bringing all these diplomatic actions. So the area is about 100,000 square kilometer of sea, as you can see from the diagram, and we'll be looking at some of the reaction of Kenyans on the social media. We want to see how are people responding to the news, the shocking news that Kenya was not showing up and did not show up. So jumping into our social media guys, the people on the social media, looking at their reactions, we can also see from the sentiment graph, you can see that 1% were in agreement that Kenya was not to show up, and they are not prepared enough because of the COVID-19. At the same time, 14% of the Kenyans were saying, of the people on the social media were saying that, oh no, you guys were called in the court, you should show up, and all that. So we are seeing also 54% are at the neutral, and we believe also these people are at the neutral. There is also lack of public awareness on the row between the Kenya-Somalia, and that's why you see maybe the neutral being on the higher side. So looking at some of the key issues, when we want to drill down into the Somalia, we see issues like corruption, Mohamed being mentioned on the negative side. We see justice being mentioned on the negative side. Every side of the country want justice to be done properly, so that's why you see more justice being mentioned on the negative side. On the positive side, we see defeat being mentioned, so I don't know who is defeating the other. We'll be having panelists today in the evening to see what were the sentiment behind the defeat side. And you can see president being mentioned on the negative side. So if you want to know who is the president being mentioned on the negative side and what are some of the comments on the negative side of the president, we will be having this discussion today as from 2. And stay tuned. I was just giving you an update, just a brief update and a summary of what we'll be discussing in the afternoon. So thank you so much for tuning in, and see you at 2 live at Infotrace Media. Thank you so much.